everybody. This model exhibits the principle of gas pressure acting on a particular material, which in this case is being portrayed in the form of a tap miniature. As we can see, the material used is a used bottle and a straw attached to the bottle with no stopper. Let's see what happens when we open and close the cap of the bottle. Let's do it again. What we observe is that when we open the bottle's cap, water drains out from the straw, and when the cap is closed, water does not come out of the straw. The pressure of air at the bottom of the straw is comparatively higher than that in above the surface of the water. When the cap is closed, as there are plentiful particles that are present in the air which constantly bounce off the surface of the water from the bottom of the straw, which is hollow. We observe that the water has almost reached the bottom of the straw because of the gas pressure applied from above the surface of water. But because of numerous particles bouncing off the surface of water from below the straw, it restricts the water from flowing out from the straw. Thank you.